I didn't bring my camera.
Paper.
So they just bought 2 houses in the past month.
At key lock on there.
You got this carport out
I
here.
don't mind this. I didn't know that was supposed to look like.
All right, then. So this is gonna be the location of my future studio. This area right here.
Wait, is this your house?
This is our house.
Awesome!
We bought this house.
That's awesome!
What's up, guys? Welcome to this very, very dark, dimly lit room. Where I'm standing right now is the future studio. And it's very dark, very crappy looking right now, but it's got a long way to go. But there's a lot of stuff that needs done, so I just wanted to walk you guys through. All this stuff's gotta happen. So this door goes into our house. This used to be a carport, and so we're blocking this in. That's why you can see there's a wall here. The wall's not finished. There's still some cracks and stuff that's gotta be sealed, and then it's gotta get sided and all that stuff. So we put this wall up. This used to be a carport, and now it's gonna be the studio. This is the door that goes into the house. That door used to be right there, but we actually moved it over here so that it wasn't in the middle of the wall. By sliding it over, we can regain some of this wall for use. And then there's this door here. This door is actually going to also get moved over into the corner. So the 2 doors will be kind of catty corner. Here's some windows. These windows are actually gonna get covered up. You have this whole wall here. And I'm gonna have shelves and stuff, and then I'm probably gonna have a TV and a couch in the corner here. Then we have this wall, which is the wall that got put up. So you can see out there is our driveway, because this used to be where you would drive your car in for the carport. So we got a window here going into this side room. We've only got 1 light in here, so it's gonna be hard to see. And we're actually gonna have another door going outside, so that's gonna actually be the entrance to the studio. It'll be 2 doors. So then the door's gonna be down there, and I'm gonna have shelves all along this wall going all the way down there. Studio update time. Let's go. So far we've got all of our wire run. So I installed 2 boxes here and here. So it's gonna be underneath the windows. 4 boxes on this wall, so 2 on this side, 2 on that side. And then on the inside of the wall, we've also got boxes. So there's one the one that's facing the outside. There's another, so there's 4 more on the inside here. So you can see all of our wire. The wire's not hooked up or anything yet, but all the wire that we need is ran. yourself, Jared, why is the wall pink? No, we're not painting the walls pink. Actually what we're doing is putting on the first coat of primer. Normally, primer is white. However, this primer we got a really good deal on because someone tinted it pink and then decided they didn't want it. And so, because they didn't want it got returned to the store. This is supposed to be the air conditioner in this room. For some reason, it's not working right. I've got 2 walls primed. So, see this wall here is looking pretty good. Why are we spray painting this wall black? This wall is actually going to be covered with palette. And the thing about palettes is they're not made perfect. They're kind of rough. When you put the palette wood up on this wall, there's going to be some small imperfections and some small cracks in between the wood. Now, if this were, say, white, you might be able to see the white in behind those cracks. So since we want this wall to be as finished looking as possible, by painting the wall a dark color like this black, it's going to minimize the amount that you see inside of those cracks. Yo, what's up? So we're back in here today. It's 2 days since I started painting this wall. I'm starting to get this place coming together. Got this wall here primed, and this wall is primed. So things are really starting to move, and I'm pumped. Like I'm on a high, and I am just ready to get this room done. So. So it's been like a couple of weeks since I filmed the last update. And there's a reason for that. I have been hard at work. And I'm happy to say that today is the day. The room is finally done. So I just finished the touch-up stuff tonight. Last time we talked was totally different. This place did not look anything like this. I've been working basically non-stop on it. We got this palette wall done. It's stained this really dark color, which looks kind of cool. It's a little bit darker than I expected it to be, but I am pretty happy with the result. We're gonna actually start moving stuff in here tomorrow. So we still do have to do this side. So the stuff that's got to happen in here is this wall is going to be totally white and that wall is going to be totally white. I could not be happier. I have been like just waiting for this day forever, and it's finally here. The One Up Creative Shoreline Media Studio is officially happening.
Oh, hello. This is Wednesday. Well, I heard the walking, so.
Oh man, this is awesome.
I love that. I really love
You like the way it turned out?
Oh yeah.
Originally we were going to do that trim in blue. Oh, really did all the other trim. Feels good.
I bet.
What is up, y'all? It's been a few days since we last filmed. We started filming when we started bringing in furniture and setting it up. It's been a few days since then because we've been building the furniture, we've been setting it up, and I'm happy to report this room's done. You know, I still got a few little tiny things, but I've been using the room now for a couple of days, even edited a couple of videos in here. I'm super happy. This place is awesome.